In today's video, I'm going to show you how to effortlessly restore your archived Instagram stories. Have you ever accidentally archived a story before the 24-hour period has passed? It can be frustrating when you want your followers to see your content immediately. Fortunately, Instagram offers a simple solution to bring back those stories. To begin, open the Instagram app on your device and head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. Once you're on your profile page, look for the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on these lines to access the Settings and Activity menu. Here you'll find the Archive option. Tap on it to see all of your archived content. If you don't immediately see your stories, don't worry. Just tap the Archive section at the top and select Stories Archive from the available options. You'll now be able to browse through all of your archived stories, neatly organized for easy access. When you find the one you want to restore, tap on it. Once the story is selected, you'll notice a Share button at the bottom of the screen. Tap this, and you'll be taken to a screen that allows you to customize the story just like you would with a new post. Feel free to make any adjustments, whether it's removing an outdated date tag or tweaking the design. If you want to remove any details, simply drag them to the trash icon. Once you're happy with how it looks, tap on your story at the bottom of the screen, and it'll be reposted for your followers to enjoy once again. It's really that simple. Restoring archived stories on Instagram is quick and easy, and with just a few taps, you can ensure your content is back in the spotlight. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more useful tips and tricks. Have any questions or need further clarification? Drop a comment below and I'll be happy to assist.